Holiday Inn San Jose. Man, those are fat indicators. Former US. Nice. Man, these things. This hotel completely renovated their place, but they left the elevators original from their last mod or renovation. These things are very beat up. A toll for 5. Man, that indicator's dim. Jeez. That is not very bright. The same could be said about a lot of people in the elevator community. Did I say that out loud? The freaking ceiling's falling down. That was trippy at first. I was like, is the mirror tilted? You can see all the US green in there. These were square buttons.